Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the UANLAO Baby Playpen, a sturdy and safe play area designed for babies and toddlers. This playpen features a robust inner bracket connected by high-toughness ABS joints, alloy steel pipes, and 4 strong suction cups at the bottom, ensuring it stays stable and secure even during your child's most energetic play sessions. The playpen is made from durable 320D Oxford cloth, which is tear-resistant, non-slip, and breathable, making it easy to clean with just a damp cloth and soap. For added safety, the playpen includes anti-collision foam tubes around the top pipes, providing a soft touch and cushioning effect to reduce any discomfort when your little one is learning to crawl, stand, or walk. Quick to assemble, this playpen also comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With its thoughtful design, this playpen is truly a lifesaver for busy parents, offering peace of mind while allowing your baby to play safely. So, if you're looking for the perfect gift for a mom in need of a secure play area for her child, the UANLAO Baby Playpen is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.